How do websites reach the top of Google's search results with SEO? And with everyone doing it, is learning SEO still worth your time? Hello everyone, I am Kashish from KnowHow Academy and welcome to the Digital Marketing Full Course for Beginners. So today we'll be learning two important things. Number one, what is SEO from basics perspective? Number two, most important part of the today's video, that is SEO still relevant or will it be relevant in 2025 or not? So let's start with number one, what exactly is SEO? So SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of improving a website so it ranks higher in search results on search engine like Google. Now, why does this matter? Well, if you have ever searched for something online, you probably clicked one of the first few links on the page, right? That's because the higher a page ranks, the more likely people are to visit that particular link or any website. So in simple terms, SEO is like a set of rules or practices that helps a website earn a spot at the top of the search result. Think of it like a spotlight that brings attention to your website by making it more visible to people actively looking for information, products or services that you are providing to them. You can also think of SEO as the organic or unpaid side of digital marketing. When your SEO is effective, your website naturally appears higher in search results without you paying for ads. This means you are reaching people who are already looking for what you offer, right? Not only does this drive more traffic to your website, but it also builds trust because users often see top ranking site as more credible. So this is about SEO. But this is not everything about SEO. Yet there are a lot more things in this. But before you know the whole world of SEO, you must know one thing. And that is SEO still relevant or will it be relevant in 2025 or not? As a beginner learning SEO, you might wonder if it's still relevant or not. After all, with so many people practicing SEO, how will you stand out? Will you just end up doing the same thing as everyone else? In reality, the hype around SEO hasn't faded yet. It's stronger than ever. While some digital marketing trends come and go, SEO remains one of the most effective ways to attract organic targeted traffic to our website. It's a field that continues to evolve, offering new opportunity for those who understand its principle and can adapt to change in search engine algorithm. So, I will give you 4 reasons to trust this fact that SEO is still relevant and it will be relevant in future as well. So, let's start with number 1 reason. Search engines like Google are constantly evolving and people are using search more than ever. Just think about it, almost everyone with internet access relies on search engines to find information on daily basis. This means the potential for SEO to drive valuable traffic is only growing. Number 2 reason is that recent studies shows that over 90% of online experience begin with a search engine. That is really incredible statistics. So it underscores how crucial it is for businesses to be visible in search results. When you invest in SEO, you are not just optimizing for today, you are setting a brand up for success in the future as well. With this coming to the third reason, that is with the rise of voice search and mobile browsing, search engines are adapting their algorithm to provide more relevant and user-friendly results. So this evolution means that SEO practices are also adapting, giving business a chance to stay ahead of the curve. So by focusing on local SEO, which we'll be learning in our upcoming videos, optimizing for mobile and creating high quality content, you are positioning your brand as a leader in your niche. With this coming to the fourth important reason, that is shifting the concern towards consumer trust and authenticity. As users become more aware about the information they consume, organic search results are often viewed as more credible than paid ads. In other words, SEO helps build trust and authority for your brand in crowded marketplace. So yes, SEO is definitely still relevant and it is here to stay as an essential part of the digital marketing. It is not just a passing trend, it's the foundation of how customers discover and interact with your businesses online. By focusing on SEO, now you're ensuring that your website remains competitive and visible in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So I hope you have understood what is SEO and its relevance in future. Stay tuned because a lot more informational videos are coming up that are must knows for a beginner. So thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.